She wants to see the world. She wants to finally be free. She wants to leave the underground for all eternity. You are the answer to prayers whispered in the dark. Can you repair a broken heart? Congratulations on this new and exciting career. There's nowhere nicer and there's no way out of here.
Come to the cemetery of my mom and me. She's a forgotten monster, got nothing making. If you know it's us, we got a coffin waiting. You know you got to run when we all awaken. Who do we trust? What do we need? This is Inception and I went to level too deep. Between the lines I need to read so we can be released from these evil dreams.
So much pain and beauty all around. Crawl on your knees and don't you make a sound.
I'll be your friend right till the end. Join the party. Don't be afraid to find out. Join the party. Come on the back, we'll have a blast. Join the party. I'm here with you, we'll make it. Join the There's more to this than simple keeping gimmicks. Every line of dialogue has got an operatic. If I'm picking a fight, then I'm gonna finish it. Foxy, don't care, how'd you miss it?
It was impossible before for her to find the light. How fortunate that you fit just right.
The hands of time will not stop ticking. Find all the clocks, this is your mission. Gotta slide open, need to build a position. Which one of you will make the most efficient decision?
She wants to see the world. She wants to finally be free. She wants to leave the underground for all eternity. You are the answer to prayers whispered in the dark. Can you repair a broken heart?
But I became a weapon with a pretty dark past that I ain't protected. Don't mess with us unless you want a painful lesson, because we're teaching out fights like it's 87. You will never be safe, we got insane aggression. It ain't a question why we became an obsession. We will not be slaves to Scott games forever and throw under Freddy Fazbear's name is legend.
She wants to see the world. She wants to finally be free. She wants to leave the underground for all eternity. You are the answer to prayers whispered in the dark. Can you repair a broken heart?
I'll be your friend right till the end. Join the party. Don't be afraid, we'll find a way. Join the party. Come on the back, we'll have a blast. Join the party. I'm here with you, we'll make it. Join the party.
She wants to see the world. She wants to finally be free. She wants to leave the underground for all eternity. You are the answer to prayers whispered in the